You are an industrial company and you pack your products in cardboard boxes using conventional Hotmelt adhesives. Any problems? Undesirable line stops? Sealing failures? Clogged nozzles? Stringing? Carbonisation? Fuming? Caking of the pellets? Hazardous manual operations? Understanding your expectations as a Hotmelt user, Bostik chemists in cooperation with Arkema have leveraged functional polyolefin technology to develop the next generation of innovative Hotmelt adhesives dedicated to cardboard bonding. Here is Kizen. For your comfort, your security and your efficiency, Kizen. Kizen means easy handling, easy switch, free-flowing pellets, high thermal stability, clean equipment, reduced adhesive weight and ultra-precise drop for high-performance bonds. Choose comfort, security and efficiency. For your peace of mind, choose Kizen, a Bostik product.